Want to give your CapCut videos a professional voiceover without ever picking up a microphone? Let's dive into using ElevenLabs with CapCut. First, head over to ElevenLabs AI and either log in or sign up for a free account. The free tier gives you enough credits to experiment. Now, in the text box, type in the exact script you want for your video. Make sure to proofread it. Next, choose a voice that fits your video's vibe. ElevenLabs has tons of options. Play around and find the perfect one. I am using the Rachel voice. Once you're happy with your script and voice, hit generate and let ElevenLabs do its magic. Download the generated audio file to your computer. Make sure you know where it's saved. Open CapCut and import your video footage into a new project. Import the ElevenLabs audio file you just downloaded. It's usually done through the Media tab. Drag and drop the audio file onto your timeline and align it with the correct scenes in your video. Precise sensing is key. Use CapCut's audio editing tools to fine-tune the voiceover, adjust the volume, add fade-ins and fade-outs, and ensure it blends seamlessly with your video's music and sound effects. Finally, export your video with its brand new AI-powered voiceover, and that's it. You've successfully integrated ElevenLabs with CapCut.